Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image as a background in Canva. So we are in Canva and we have got our blank template in front of us. So what we're going to do is we're going to come across to the left-hand side elements and we are going to search for beach. And as you can see, you've got the option for a beach background. So we're going to give that a click. And then I'm going to press this one here. I love this one. I think it looks gorgeous. So you can either drag the image to fit the whole design, or you can right click and press set image as background, which looks amazing. The other option is to go to somewhere like Pexels that have a huge, amazing selection of images that are all royalty free, so you can download them and use them however you want to. And as you can see, you've got 119,000 beach pictures available. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to use this one. I love this one. I think it's gorgeous. So I'm just going to hit download. Amazing. And then we're going to come back to our Canva design. So what we're going to do is come over to upload files, and then I'm just going to drag that one in and add it, which is amazing. Okay, so once that's finished doing, great. So what you can do is if you right click on this new image, you can replace the background. So Canva will automatically do that for you. Or what you could do is you can fit it yourself. So you can drag each corner of the image and make sure it fits the screen. And then we've layered on top of that original background. Now this can be quite fun and artistic. So what you can then do is you can try and merge the two images. So if you come up to this bar here with transparency, and then if we lighten the transparency of that top image, you can see that we've got a merging here of the two backgrounds, which can just be really creative, really fun. And then what you can do is you can just edit it by pressing edit at the top. If you come to adjust, and then you can sort of change the temperature of it. So if you're wanting to draw more into the ocean, you can go cool. If you're wanting to pull more into the sunset, you can go warm with your temperature, and also with saturation as well. So let's have a look. So I like the warmer colors, and I just think that looks really cool. And then obviously if you wanted to delete one, then you can just select it, or you can press Alt-1 on your keyboard, and then you can see the layers here. So if you wanted to delete that bottom one, you could give it a click, press delete, and then we are just left with that top image. So that was just a really quick one for you today, guys. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.